got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Yeah, life's good today. Well, the plane touched down just about 3 o'clock, and the city's still on my mind. Bikinis and palm trees danced in my head. I was still in the baggage line. Concrete cars with their own prison bars, like this life I'm living in. But the plane brought me farther, surrounded by water, and I'm not going back again. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. It's a great day. Life is good today. Adios and bye, Condis. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. And if it weren't for tequila and pretty senoritas, I'd have no reason to stay. Adios and bye, Condis. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. Gonna lay in the hot sun and roll a big fat one. Grab my guitar and play. Flew by like a drunk Friday night as the summer drew to an end. They can't believe that I just couldn't leave, and I bid adieu to my friend. My bartender, she's from the islands, body's been kissed by the sun. Coconut replaces the smell of the bar, and I don't know if it's her or the rum. My toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Yes, sir, life is good today. Adios and bye, Condis. On our way from the lake. It's where all the muchachas, they call me Big Papa when I throw pesos their way. Adios and bye, Condis. On our way from the lake. Someone do me a favor and pour us some Jaeger. Grab my guitar.